Hi guys, welcome back with the third puzzle. Third puzzle, not in today's newspaper of Friday, December the 31st, 2021. I've told you we have no additional at that day. No, today it's actually a Saturday. Yes, Saturday, and on New Year's Day we have no newspaper, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the Friday edition, October the 15th, 2021, and I've already solved two puzzles. The letter Sudoku I've solved, and the two-star Sudoku, and now it's time for the Tectonic one. Yes, Tectonic with 1 star. Let me position the camera, and this will be a number 3916. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has, let me count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 19 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because for a 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or single boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here single box, there single box, always a 1. Dual boxes, do we see here dual boxes in this puzzle? Here, dual box contains the 1 and the 2. The 2 is already filled in, so this box should be a 1. Triple boxes then. Do we have triple boxes in this puzzle? No triple boxes I see only quadra box. Here, quadra box. The 2 is already filled in. Here, quadra box, the 1 and the 3 are filled in. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And here, another one. The 3 and the 1. The 3, no, the 3 and the 2 are missing. 2 and the 3. Let me mark those. 2 and the 3. Alright, those are the quadra boxes. So the next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or construction, whatever you name it. Okay, first one is this shape. Let me draw this shape here. Okay, if you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about well, the L shape. We have here the L shape. Let me draw this here. Okay. If you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. More L shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? No, this shape. Same. It's the same shape. Oh, wait. This box has the same number as that box. And this kind of shape. Okay. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. Okay. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 5. More of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? The T shape. Okay, we have here the T shape. If you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. The T shape. More T shapes here in this puzzle? No. Then the following shape. How about the Z constriction? The Z. Yeah, Z constriction. Here we have the Z figure. Remember, if you see this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box. So this box is the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. But also that that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 4. Okay. So this box is the same number as that box. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 5. We have more of these kind of shapes, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, only 5. I think we have 6 or 7. But in this puzzle, only 5 that you need to recognize. Why do you need to recognize those shapes in this puzzle? Because then, that's the following step, then it's easy for filling the numbers. Alright, so let's get starting filling the numbers. Well, these two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 2, that box can be a 2. So the 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair. The other pair in this area should be the 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. Yeah. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, we already have a 2 there, so no 2 here. The 2 should be there. Then. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Let me go. 1 box left in this Z construction for number 3. Okay. Let me think. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3. Cannot be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 3. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and 5. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area. For the numbers 1 and 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 4. Yes, of course, because this box is connected with that box. I forgot to place the 4 here earlier. Yeah. Okay. Then. This box cannot be A1. That box cannot be A1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those. 2 boxes, 3 and 5. Well, I cannot place the 5 here because we have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 5 there. The 5 should be here. And 1 box left in this area for number 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 2. Alright. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. Now we have a 5 there. So this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 4. Okay. These two boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Okay. Alright. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, it's in the same area, the 4, and cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 2. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 3 goes there. I think, this box should be a 2, because it can be a 1, should be a 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, we have another 2 there, so no 2 here. The only place left for the 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 2, so this box can be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Okay. Then let me think. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright, I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1. The 1 is in the same area, cannot be a 2. Should be a 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and a 5. Okay. This box can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, this box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 4 there. That means that box cannot be a 4. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 should be there, and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 goes here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. Then. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 4, 5. Interesting. This box cannot be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this quarter box for the number 4. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 5. Okay, these 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Wow, told you, need to be faster than 50 minutes. And I've solved this in 30 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later. Later with the... yeah. I've told you, I'll promise you, for New Year... the quintuplet, yes, quintuplet, I will do this later. So, thank you again for watching, and until then, bye bye for now.